Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the themes in this device. So without any third-party application, we can change the theme in this device. For this, open the themes application in this device. You can see, tap on this one. So this is the home page. So from you can see it is themes. Okay, so from here you will get some free themes also, and paid themes also you will get. If you tap on this option categories at the bottom tab, so you can see some categories you can see here. Okay, unique style. Then if you go down you can see some this one. Now I am going to tap on this one, cartoon. So here you can see some cartoon style themes you can see here. So you can see some of them are paid and some of them are free. So here I am going to select this one, cats and catties. Tap on this one. Now tap on download. Just wait for a few seconds to download these themes. Yeah, now the download is completed. Now we can easily apply this theme to our device. Tap on apply. You can see lock screen, home screen, icon, system. If you want to do any customization, you can deselect anyone. Okay, if you don't want the themes on your icons, then you can deselect this one. Okay, now tap on apply. You can see it is applying. Theme applied. Just wait for a few seconds. Now you can see home screen. The icons are also changed. You can see, right? So simply in this way you can change the theme in this device. In case if you want to go back to your default theme, again go to your themes application. Tap on, go to the home page. Tap on my account, tap on themes. So here you can see the default themes you can see here, and other themes are you downloaded the themes you can see here also. So tap on the default theme, tap on apply, tap on apply. You can see this applying. Yeah, it is successfully applied successfully. Now you can see the theme is changed. So simply in this way you can change the theme without any third-party application. You can see here. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.